Hello, this is a brief introduction to Kotlin. This is part 8. In this video, I will continue to talk about functions and then I will introduce Kotlin classes. And here we continue to talk about functions. We talk about exactly high order functions. So high order functions are functions which are requiring as a parameter another function. So in regular functions, usually parameters are primitive types, so where it can be int, it can be string, or whatever. But in case of higher order functions, the parameter can be another function. So in this example, we see a lambda function, and we talked in previous video how to declare a lambda function. Is a lambda function where parameter is type of int and it returns also int value, and it calculates a square of number. And here we have higher order function square 5, which requires as a parameter another function, and it requires lambda function type of int, and that type which we actually declare here. And what it does, it invokes that function inside of the body and prints the result. So in order to call this function, we have to give us a parameter another function. Specifically, it requires that lambda function of type of int, where is result and a parameter or type of int. So let's see how it works in IDEA. This is Intellij IDEA, and we can declare a lambda function. Let's say we have lambda function which requires also a parameter type of int, and it returns value also as a integer, and this is body of that lambda function, where it calculates square of the x, in this case the square of the parameter. And then higher order, let's call it let's say fun, which requires this type of function. So let's call it lambda function, and it returns, so we have to change now type of the function. It returns integer value, so it takes that that lambda function, and let's say it's calculates square of 5, and return it. So here we can print the result. So in order to call this function, it's actually already, as you see, it's appear here lf, that function which we declared. So let's run, and it should return 25. So as you see here, we declare a lambda function. So it's a lambda function, and then this is that higher order function, because it uses another function as a parameter. So as you see, we got 25. So next I would like to talk about classes. So here we have a class. How to declare basically class is simply keyword class used in Kotlin to declare a class. So when we call, for example, here is empty class, just class shape, and it recommends that to use capital letter, capitalize that first letter in the name of the classes. So in this case we have class rectangle, and here in the brackets inside this is its primary constructor. So when you initialize it, you can give a parameters. So in Kotlin computer language there is primary constructor, and it can be many secondary constructors. So we talk about constructors in the next video, but now for now that's enough to know that this is primary constructor. And then we have values here, and here how you declare. So there is no need for the keyword new like in Java and many other computer languages. So you just directly put the name of the class and then initializing it. And then, for example, in order to get the object type of rectangle, we can just declare by using keyword wall as any other value on other variable, just assign to that the uh, rectangle class with these parameters. So that's about classes. We talk more about classes in the next video. I will explain constructors and inheritance and many other things. But for now, that's for today is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.